Folks, we're back. Check it out. This is a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. This is a Latitude edition, and she's very well equipped. Backup camera, luggage rack, got the big alloys on her. This is a 4-cylinder. This is a 4-wheel drive unit. This has an auxiliary line in, USB, streaming audio, privacy glass. Folks, I don't know if you've looked, it's like brand spanking new. Fully serviced, safety inspected, and ready for the town. All climates, all good. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect on this vehicle, folks. And our starting down payment on this Jeep is $1,295. This is a 15 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, and she's all there. Body is exceptional, interior is brand spanking new, never smoked in. Guaranteed credit approval